You want to talk?
Aren't we talking now?
Good. Because you're a stupid fucking bitch. You know that? You're such a stupid fucking bitch. I don't think you realize how much of a stupid fucking bitch you are.
Oh, really? What about you? You're such a fucking douche. You're such a fucking douche that you eat douche and you shit douche. A cycle of douche.
You're a drama queen. Your issues have issues. I mean, you eat with your issues, you wake up with your issues. Hell, you even sleep with your issues and then some.
Fair enough. But you're a user. You use everyone to survive. You have no respect for yourself, so how could you have respect for anybody else? Therefore, that makes you a tool. A tool uses. Ironic.
I got a newsflash for you, sweetheart. You're a fake. You say one thing and then you do another. You pretend to be a friend when really you're just hiding about how ugly you are on the inside.
You're fucking disgusting.
You're fucking scary.
Shut up.
You shut up.
No,
Stop talking!
So we good now?
I think so. I feel good. I really think these role-playing games are trying to work.
Yeah, it's good to be honest.
Yes, it is.
So, same time next week?
Well, sure, babe. Whatever works best for you.
Although next week, I get to tie you up.
Oh, finally! Woo!